Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will walk you through the process of joining Walmart Plus and explore the fantastic member perks that come with it. If you're ready to enhance your shopping experience, follow these simple steps to become a Walmart Plus member. Step 1. Access the Walmart Plus website. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Walmart Plus website. You can find it by searching Walmart Plus in your preferred search engine or by directly going to the URL. Step 2. Click on Join Walmart Plus. Once you're on the Walmart Plus homepage, look for the button that says Join Walmart Plus or Sign Up. This is typically located at the top of the page. Step 3. Create your account. If you already have a Walmart account, simply log in using your existing credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Step 4. Choose your membership plan. Walmart Plus offers different membership plans. Take your time to review the options available, including the monthly and annual plans. Select the one that best fits your shopping habits. Step 5. Enter payment information. After choosing your plan, you'll need to enter your payment information. Walmart accepts various payment methods, including credit cards and debit cards. Make sure to review your information for accuracy. Step 6. Review and confirm your membership. Before finalizing your registration, double-check all your details, including your selected plan and payment information. Once everything looks good, click on the Complete Registration button to confirm your membership. Step 7. Explore your member perks. Now that you are officially a Walmart Plus member, take advantage of the perks. Some key benefits include free delivery on groceries, fuel discounts, and access to exclusive deals. Explore these features through the Walmart app or website. By following these steps, you can easily join Walmart Plus and start enjoying the numerous benefits right away. Don't forget to check back regularly for any new updates or promotions. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.